Fake rape allegations in India, what the law really says. Let's understand this under the new Act BNS. Rape is one of the most serious crime in our legal system. But what happens when someone falsely accuses an innocent person of rape? It's not just a morally wrong, it's legally punishable with the India's new criminal law, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, BNS 2023. Let's talk fact, let's talk justice, not just sympathy or outrage. False rape accusation can ruin lives, careers, families, mental health, and reputations. Worst part, even when the truth comes out, damage is already done. But the law is now changing up. Let's get one thing straight. Rape is real. Survivor must be protected. But when someone misuses the law, they are not a victim. They are a criminals. What what happens when the rape case is proven fake? The court finds the complaint was false and made with the malicious intent. The woman or any complaint can be punished under Section 249 BNS, false charge with the intent to injure, punishable up to 5 years of imprisonment and fine. If the false charge is a serious offense like a rape, punishment may extend it up to 10 years. Also, Section 229 BNS, false evidence. Giving fake statements in a court is punishable with up to 7 years of imprisonment. Section 202 BNS, giving false information to a public servant, lying to the police is a crime. Section 356 BNS, defamation, ruining someone's name by making false claim can land you with the 2 years of jail plus fine. Case example, Kamal Kishore versus State 2020. In the Delhi High Court case, a woman filed a rape complaint that was later found to be false. Court called her actions of the mockery of the justice system and the initiative jury system against her. The message is clear. The court will not tolerate the misuse of rape laws. But why does some people file false cases? Revenge after breakup or rejection family pressure during the intercaste or interreligion relationships, money or exhaustion, personal vendetta, whatever the reason, it is a crime. And one fake case make it harder for real victim to get the justice. So what can a falsely accused man do? File a counter case under the BNS sections, seek compensation for a mental harassment and the legal expenses. Apply for quashing of a FIR if the proof is clear. Approach the State Human Rights Commission. Fight legally, not emotionally. And remember, the truth is the best defense. At What a Lawyer, we fight for the justice, not just headlines. This isn't about the men versus women. It's about the truth versus misuse. Because the law must protect the innocent, not enable the guilty. Share this video with someone who needs to know. Subscribe for more content where the law meets the life, and build country with the law is fair, equal and fearless. Thanks.